I'm your MSU neighborhood reporter, Lauren Lenzian. Friday, I spoke with the MSU Police Department to get some tips on how students can stay safe on campus during the storm. MSU PD spokesperson Dana White gave a few tips on what to do should you start to feel the onset of frostbite.
Get to a warm location as quickly as possible and don't use a heating pad. Just warm up naturally when you come inside. So that'll help you stay safe and limiting time outdoors.
The university is also taking proactive measures to ensure that the campus is prepared for whatever the winter weather might bring.
MSU IPF, Infrastructure Planning and Facilities, works to make sure everything stays plowed. So they will be out making sure that the sidewalks are cleared and that the parking lots are getting frequently plowed.
Along with university preparation, students on campus are also preparing to take on the elements.
Well, you see I've got this on right here. I ride a moped to class, so that's why I've kind of got the whole kit on right now.
And being a Michigan native, Pete had one major piece of advice for his fellow Spartans.
I would just stay inside most of the weekend. If you got to go outside, just bundle up.
Reporting from Michigan State University, Lauren Lenzian, Fox 47 News.